Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of this UQHH MP5 Splat gun with a retractable stock and even a laser pointer. What's also interesting here, it comes with 6 Dinosaur targets and it has an upgraded motor which is capable to shoot with up to 180 feet per second and to a distance of 65 feet, which is really impressive. So I'm really excited to look at this, and so I'm going to show you all the parts here. I'm going to assemble that, going to charge and producing the gel bullets, and then let's have some fun outside. So let's open and have a look. It doesn't come with an extra plastic carry box or so, but I think it's decent here to use this to store and even to carry. We get a lot of ammunition, even with different colors, really nice. Then we get these ammunition containers, we get the laser pointer. You can just pull the thing out and then push it to the front, and you can see it works really nice. Of course you have to be careful, it's really strong light. And here's some more additional parts, of course the battery charger and the holder for the ammunition, and some safety glasses, and here even some targets which you can use to create your own shooting range. And then of course the dinosaurs to have even more fun. And here we have it. Looks really nice, solid, well built, really beautiful. I love this thing. Here we have the retractable stock, so we can just push here inside from the sides and then pull it outside. It's adjustable in 3 different lengths. That's the second one and third one, actually, more or less than inside. So really nice. Comes even with some decent instructions. A lot of these gel blaster guns do not have any kind of instructions, so I love this thing that it's explaining a lot of these things. Of course, to create the gel ammunition takes up to 4 hours. So if you want to be prepared, then start early. And also charging the batteries can take some time. So we are starting here right away. We are just using normal standard USB-A port, and then we plug it in. I think it comes like that. By the way, this is lithium ion. This is what we want to see, so there's no overcharge possible. Also very good safety and high capacity. So we plug it in here, we get the green light. It's important to see that, otherwise it won't fully charge. Sometimes it can be a little bit difficult to make these things charge. Make sure it has really this solid green strong light, and then connect it, and then it will go into charge, which is red, and after that it will probably turn green again when it's fully charged. So let's start to prepare some ammunition as well. Here in this case we don't get any accessories like a strainer or funnel or so, but usually you have these things anyway at home, or you can do it directly here in the ammunition container. This is what I do. I just fill a little bit here inside, don't overfill, and then make sure that this is closed properly again. And then we just fill it with water and wait for a couple of hours, and then after that we are removing the excess water, so we don't need actually any strainer or funnel. So I have it here filled up, so there's no overfilling possible, or so you don't have to measure the amount of water. Just make sure that it has some spare water during the next 4 hours, so it can soak up enough water. So the battery is fully charged. It took about 2 hours, but of course I have no clue how much pre-charged it was, but we get the green light, so I guess it's fully charged. And so let's insert the battery here. We open this thing and connect it, and then we place it here inside. What's really nice here is that we have a lot of space. Then we have to also mount the magazine holder. We don't have any push button or so, but we have an arrow, and so the arrow goes to the front and we push it in from the back. It goes somehow like this without a lot of power, but for the rest we need quite some power. We have to push pretty hard. Okay, so here we have it, and so you can see we have aligned the holes, the hole from the gun and the hole from the magazine holder. can also add this here in the front, and we can add the laser pointer from the front. I push it just somehow like that. You can push it all the way to the back, but it holds really nicely already. When you push it more to the back, it will hold even more stable. And we can turn it on. You can see it's a really strong light. Just be careful. Definitely don't give it to small children. And we are already on 4 hours. You can see there's only a little bit of water left. We open the cap and then we drain the excess water here inside. Just needs a little bit of time, but we definitely don't need a strainer, or so we can do that easily here directly from the magazine. But we really have to make sure that all the water is removed, otherwise it wouldn't be good for the gun. You can see nice gel balls here. And to add it, we have to hold it upside down, then we screw it in. Works really good. And in this position it's secured, and to unsecure we have to push this to the front, so we have nice safety here. So I'm going outside and show you how this works. So I've been outside with this gun and it was absolutely amazing. This thing has incredible firepower, something which I've never seen before, and absolutely flawless, not a single blockage. And you can see I have already spent almost the whole magazine and there was not a single blockage. What's also amazing, I haven't lost a single bullet. So this seems to be also a very good solid construction. With some old shelled guns it was somehow like open and then I lost a lot of bullets. So this is not going to happen. Also, let's try to shake them out here and remove this thing and see what happens. Yeah, I think we have really removed everything, so I'm going to try that out now here. So let's just shoot into the box here. Yeah, there was absolutely nothing. So also the load and the unload mechanism seems to be absolutely perfect. By the way, the laser pointer has been pointing a little bit lower than I've been hitting, like for short distance, but I would say for medium distance it would be almost absolutely perfect. And even with this extreme firepower, it was not even loud. It somehow sounded like muffled, and I think this proves the good quality of the components here inside. Yeah, at least for the moment I can give you full recommendation. There is absolutely nothing to complain, and if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.